tail cast on. You have cast on your stitches, turn your work, and we will knit each stitch on our needle. When you come to the end, turn your work again, and again knit all the stitches. To bind off, I will knit the first 2 stitches. Then I will insert the left needle into the first stitch and pull it over the second stitch. Pull it up a little loose. Knit the next stitch, pull the first stitch over the second. Continue to bind off all the stitches in this way, being sure not to bind off too tightly.